How to make a bootable USB drive of Windows 10. Required. USB at least 16 GB. Rufus tool. Window ISO file. Now, open the Rufus tool. Select your USB drive. Select the Windows ISO file to download. Click the Start button. Create a local account with a username. Press OK. Click the Start button again. Wait for the process to reach 100% completion. This process takes about 15 to 25 minutes to complete. Press the Close button, and then remove the USB drive. You can now use the USB to install Windows. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.